Welcome to the Attendance Keeper scheduling tutorial. In this video, we will walk through the process of creating a new schedule template and assigning it to an employee. First, navigate to the Attendance module from the sidebar and click on the Schedule tab. Here, you will find an option called Schedule Templates. Click on it to view or create templates. To create a new schedule, click on the Create Schedule button at the top right. A window will pop up where you can enter the details for the schedule. Start by giving your schedule a title, such as 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday to Friday. Next, specify the break time, let's say 30 minutes, and select the weekly holidays, such as Saturday and Sunday. Now, move on to setting the time in and time out for each working day. If the same schedule applies to all the days, you can simply enter the time for one day and click the Set All Value button. This will apply the same time across all the days automatically. You can still adjust specific days if needed afterward. After entering all the details, click Create Schedule to save it. Next, let's assign the newly created schedule to an employee. Go back to the Schedule tab, and this time click Assign Schedule. In the pop-up window, first select the employee from the drop-down list. Then, in the second drop-down, select the schedule template to be assigned, such as 10 a.m. to 6 p.m., Friday off. Once you have selected both the employee and the schedule, click Assign to apply the schedule. That's it, you've successfully created a schedule template and assigned it to an employee. This concludes our tutorial. Thank you for watching.